What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we are actually doing a little exciting thing for my brother-in-law. We're going to pick up his new car. Now, just after the intro, I'm going to throw you guys back in time about 8 weeks when we went to the dealership, checked out the car, and he decided on what he wanted. And then, yeah, I'll show you his one because they didn't have the color and all that sort of stuff. They had to order it in. It took a long time, but it happened. So we're going to go do that. And then we are going to go out into Melbourne City tonight. We're going to go out to dinner and then go check out an escape room because I love doing escape rooms. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. This is what he's looking at, little MG3 Auto. It's such a cute little car. But he wants it in blue. I can't get in this one, it's locked. I'll take you into the yellow one in a second. Such a well-priced little car, but there is a bit of a weight on it, so we're just going to see what deal they can do for us. Josh is absolutely stoked with this. He thinks it's cute as, and it is. It's a nice little car. This one is the base model. He's going to go the top model of this option, so it's got a couple little extras and got some leather interior and stuff, but I'm sure I'll be able to get you a video of that if and when he gets it. But yeah, let's see what that deal they'll do. So I'm 6'4", I think, 6'3", 6'4", 190 centimeters, whatever that is. And I've got so much leg room. I am blown away by how much room this car has. I'm actually so stoked for Josh. He's gonna love this little thing. It's got sat nav, auto, like aircon, all your fancy stuff. Other people are knocking on the car to check it out. That's a weird thing, I guess, but whatever. Nice steering wheel, all perforated leather. Oh. Josh, you're about to get a nice little car, mate. Right, so I've got the front seat all the way back as far as it can be. I'm in the back and like I have to put my knees sideways, but like I fit quite comfortably. And like, I'll show you how much headroom I've got. Like, I'm a little bit shocked. Like, this car's really small from the outside, but it's so roomy on the inside. Like, there should not be this much room in this car. Physics. It's defying physics for me. Alright, so it took 8 weeks, but it's here. He finally got his new car. He loves it. Just signed everything up, got his little bow on it, and off we go, leaving the Mazda behind. So we just had dinner at Cafe Republic and it was insane. I'm really picky with food and it was just incredible. They're like, even down to the beer batter chips, they were just spot on. Everything was so good down in Toorak Street in Melbourne. If you want to check it out, that's definitely an amazing place to go. And now we're just going to run escape rooms. So that should be good. Don't think I'll be able to take the camera in to the actual escape room, but I love doing escape rooms. Check these out. Alright, so we just finished in the escape room and we nailed it. We started like 13 minutes, 12 and a half minutes left. We did the end game one, which was like kind of Marvel themed, which was really cool, and it was really good. We really enjoyed it. We only asked for 2 clues, which is we're getting better and better as we do them. I do these all the time because I love them. I love little like puzzle things, and Brooke knows I do, so she books them all the time. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's literally next to that restaurant I spoke about earlier. So if you want to have a good night head down here, grab a feed at that cafe, and then go to the escape room. Really, really good time. Just editing last night's vlog, and I realized I didn't do an outro, so I'm gonna do the outro here and give you guys a little quick update on the crown parts and so on. So I'm not sure if I've told you in another vlog, but the boot lid is obviously here. That was really quick. I took the wrap off of that, and we got a couple little things we need to just perfect on that, which is all good. The rear Rio bar, all that sort of stuff, and the bumpers, we're just still waiting for them to be made. They're being made at the moment, so they take a little while, and that's pretty much it. For the crown updates, it's just wait, you know. So thank you for coming along on this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that the restaurant looked nice to you guys, and you should definitely try out that run escape rooms. They're really, really good. They're like really fun to do if you like that kind of thing. But yeah, so thanks for coming along. Please like, please subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. If you feel like sharing this around, sharing some other videos around, go for it. Just try and get this channel as big as we can. But yeah, thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. See ya.